Getting ready to rebuild go-kart. Had to take this old motor out. And I am getting ready to change it. My noodle's screaming out the door and they just came back from grocery shopping. So I got the engine out of the thing. But thought it was the wrong engine. But I had to take the bell housing off. And what do I do with it? It's this thing right there. This bell housing right there. So it's interchangeable with that other one. Didn't know. Thought I had the wrong shit engine, but I had to figure out on my own. It's all by eye. Didn't look up nothing to do this. My first time doing it. But common sense, you can do anything. If you're mechanically inclined, you can do anything. So that be that. I gotta change them disc brakes on here too. Anyway, that's what I'm doing. That is what I'm doing. I want to ride this bad boy in the snow. Since I can't go jet skiing. Know what I mean, dog? Anyway, that's that. Here's what it is. Yay.